We often find patients here at Stonelodge Dental who are needing to find a solution to replace teeth that are needing to get extracted. In those patients, they have three options: something removable, such as a complete denture, the implant-supported denture, and the all-on-4, all-on-6 type of restoration. So for some patients, removable dentures are the best option for them, whether it be for budget or medical reasons. For those patients, they can have the option of removable denture. Some of the benefits of that is we can make them look very aesthetic to restore their confidence so they can smile. One of the drawbacks is they're not as stable as those that are supported with implants. When you have a tooth that's been removed, the bone is going to continue to shrink in that area. So with dental implants, it maintains the bone level where it is. So the next option they have implant-supported dentures, in which case we put a few implants and the dentures snap in and out of the denture. That allows them to be more stable and they're allowed to eat a little bit more naturally. And then the best option is when we place an all-on-4 or all-on-6 type of restoration that is actually completely fixed in the mouth. It only comes out when we take it out to clean it once a year. That allows you the best range of function, confidence. You can not worry about them moving. You don't have to worry about any denture adhesives. It really allows you to live like you lived when you had your natural teeth. We often have patients that have a variety of different desires as far as what type of material they're looking to restore their teeth. Some patients prioritize function, some patients prioritize aesthetics, and we will talk about all of the options you have to meet your desires. Please give us a call at Stonelodge Dental and we will set up a consult to discuss further information.